Let us introduce Brian. One of his responsibilities is maintaining and managing the corporate website. Having encountered hackers before, his main worry is cyber attacks on the website going unnoticed. A cyber attacker, such as a hacker, may deface the website and send inappropriate messages to all visitors. It can lead to severe consequences, inhibiting users from using the website or, even further, damaging the corporate image. Let us help Brian solve this problem. Introducing Sentrypage, an award-winning web defacement tool that helps monitor suspicious changes frequently. Utilizing Sentrypage advanced machine learning engines, Sentrypage can recognize hackers' signatures and profanities, and detects unidentified domains from external links to your website by frequently scanning every 5 minutes. Whenever Sentrypage recognizes a defacement anomaly, it immediately alerts us through email. This fast reaction minimizes the impact of reputation damage since all the website owners are alerted and can take immediate action. Subscribing to Sentrypage is easy, flexible, and convenient. You can add or remove a web page anytime. Controlling the payment is also easy with credit-based payment like prepaid cellular. With Sentrypage providing round-the-clock monitoring and real-time alerts, Brian no longer needs to worry anymore. Trusted by more than 50 Singapore government agencies, Sentrypage is the winner of SBR, Singapore Business Review, Cybersecurity Award.
Sleep easy with 24/7 support from real-time alerts and a friendly support team for any escalation issues.
What are you waiting for? Let Sentrypage protect your website and reputation today. Get started now.